Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right in and learn how to use Notion for organizing concert tour details. The first step is to create a new page. Let's call it Concert Tour 2025. This will be our main hub for all tour-related information. The reason we do this is to keep every detail, from venue contacts to accommodation arrangements, in one place so nothing slips through the cracks. Next up, let's create some databases. Click the plus, add a database button, and create your first database. We'll call this one Tour Dates. This helps us because it allows us to see an overview of all concert dates and locations at a glance. Now that we've done that, let's add properties to our database. Click plus Add a Property and add fields like venue, city, and contact. The reason we do this is to keep all pertinent details about each concert location neatly organized and easily accessible. The next step is to utilize the calendar view. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is taking all the dates from your Tour Dates database and displaying them in a calendar format. This helps you visualize your tour schedule better and plan accordingly. Finally, let's create a tasks database. This will house all the tasks related to the tour, from promoting events to sorting out travel logistics. The beauty of using Notion for this is that you can link these tasks to specific tour dates, ensuring everything is synchronized and nothing is overlooked. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to use Notion to stay on top of all your concert tour details for 2025. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and centralized. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.